DJ confident he has the skills to stay in play while others run out of steam.
What do you think? If it's a matter of time, make we see what going on. Want to think me I do? Girl out my thing and party out my thing? I must know me I do. And music me set. So whosoever I pray for say, oh, him so feel, him so drop, him hype so done, make we see what going on.
As for me I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
And I don't know, one Media Fox man up, you know. Yeah man. So people, what me I try to get to understand, the artists what them say, fall off. But I just can't understand people. Because if you look on that text here, see? I want to see this, you know, people, because I'm not joke to you know. So look here now. I see a comment. And the comment say 5 years straight. Basically I must say Alkaline fall off. 5 years, you know, people. 5 years. Right? Watch you now. One real hit. Him fine. In at that time. See? Girl Good, a lukewarm song. Want to listen, you know, it's a crux one, you know. Massacre been the man 6 years now. Undisputed Alkaline fans, delusional. See? And I live off a 2014 and 2017 hype. Want to listen, you know, people. 2014 to 2017 hype, Alkaline I live off. When Alkaline have Ocean Wave, him have Bass, him have Mad Love, Nah Left Game, all of these songs. But look at now, people. I have to go show now what I go on. See? So look here now, people. Fall off artists. You don't know fall off artists are sell off arena, you know. You don't know new rules are followed up. See? People are come to the fall off artists. What them say. See? I don't understand. That narrative the people. How much ears not hear this now? And the reality is a show a different thing. If Alkaline fall off 6 years, the amount of artists we not hear not talk about. I wanna say Alkaline fall off, but when him check it out, Alkaline I get more show than the artists who wanna say when I run the place for 6 years. I don't understand that people. The artists, what them say I run the year for 6 years. Him can't even get a proper tour. You understand? The last little tour where them say, so-called tour, I don't know what that. That come like say a one-stop shop when him have 2 dates. You understand? See it ya? Oh, wait there. GOK UK tour. In 2024 this. 2 shows. See? I think if I not 2 or 3, but that's how we see when call tour. See? Alright now people. I go show now thing. So Alkaline in Miami. In the center there. Kezia Center. See? You don't know, I'm going to pull like around 15K, so. Yeah. I look over. See? But people, the artists with them say fall off. How am I get so much show? Why am so high in demand that I don't understand? If I get so much show, if you fall off for 6 years now, you're not supposed to get so much show? In people? Something not right there, so. How comes the artists will fall off how long? And the artists where then say run the business for 6 years, now get the bookings where this year artist you got. The artists where then say drop a bag of hits now get. Seeing? So this is one show. Seeing? So the second show now in the stadium. Guyana National Stadium, this Botheration. So you don't know the Miami one. May the 22nd, this are the next day after May the 23. I don't understand what really I want people. Because the last time me checked the same artist, so they must say around the year, around 6 years now. If them say man will drop the bag of hits. Seeing? And about 3 show alone, him do one in our Antigua and one at Cayman. But we are talking about shows. Seeing? And then he must have a Reggaeland About 3. Up in the summer there. I think them say something like Summer Jam too. See? But if him had the man, him supposed to get some more shows, man. I want to go on. Some more shows. Him should have gone 20 shows already. Man, we have dropped the bag of hits. I want to go on. Say you don't know Alkaline in Guyana. National Stadium. You see it? Yeah, man. At this artist you say fall off. Me don't understand what I go on. How this artist I get so much booking so? Nah, man. This can't real. You understand? Alright, see there? And next new rules this. Philly. You understand? Arena. I want to go on. A different level this. This not add up. I saw if fall off artists are going. Me prefer be one fall off artist where I get a bag of bookings and I follow out them big places, headline some big shows than the artists where them say. Cause remember, you know, the same artist where them say, you know, him say him done the Caribbean, but when you check it, I be a bookings in the Caribbean him a get. So I don't know, him should not get no bookings in the Caribbean. If you say you done the Caribbean, you should not get some shows in Japan, Africa, everywhere in the US, all of these places. You should not get no bookings in the Caribbean again. You understand? So you don't know June the 13th. You understand? Infinity Mobile Arena in Philadelphia. Yeah, man. Keep the corner league over here, it's a big league. Yeah, man. See where artists are there. According to now, say a fall off artist. I'm telling you already, you know. You see more on the talk and more on the make it even worse on the artist. I'm telling you already. Because when I say on an artist, I do a bag of thing. I drop a bag of hits. But sometimes I wonder if the hits really passing Norman man the airport. As some see people, we just now see the impact. For so much, for man drop so much hit song and we can't see the impact. Him supposed to have more shows than everybody else. You understand? Yeah, man. So, alright. This I wanna name Tipsy in a Barbados. See? You don't know, say this is July the 13th. So that show ya after July the 3rd or 19th, I think, yeah. I think July the 19th is. July the 19th, yeah. See? So this is after the arena in Philly. Next the July month. No man, I saw them say fall out the artists are going. No man, it come like the artists are high in demand. Yeah man. It come like him high in demand. So look here now. Antigua. Yeah man, them say Amasika the thing there, the embassy down Antigua. You understand? I don't know what go on with him last show, you know. Yeah man. So this you don't know July the 26th. See this before him have Dream Weekend. So him have what 2 show in July. You understand? No man, me tell you, Alka, yo, no dog, Alka. Them say you fall off, dog, but we get so much bookings. Nobody not supposed to book you, dog. What really are going? You understand? Nobody not supposed to book you. See, they know it's a July again. You understand? July again. Dream Weekend. Oh, Alkaline headline too much show, so. How go on? This not look right. This can't look right, people. Oh, Alka goes hard. According to them say the fall off artist. No man, fall off artist not for your headline so much show. May I tell you that? No, sir. So wait there. So artists where them say run the place so much years now. What go on with him? Him supposed to go on 20 shows already. Promoter supposed to say, yo, ready. Him supposed to get a lot of bookings. What really are going? This now make no sense. It nah make no sense. Oh, a man for drop so much hits and nobody now want to see him. In people, tell the truth. Tell the truth, people. Everybody supposed to want to see the artist who drop the bag of hits them. You see me? So you don't know that a dream weekend. Alright, we just see that new one up on the list. You see me? You don't know Afro Fest. Pumba, dog. I don't know Alkaline. Alkaline, if you easy, dog. If you go easy on the shows, them, bro. You see me? You can't just show up the man them, so dog. Cause, Jano, bro. What really are going? The man them say you fall off for much years now. So how you get so much bookings over the man them? What going? So you don't know Afro Fest. People, this is a September, this, you know. The man well book out. You understand? September, this, people. Yeah, man, September, this. So this is after Dream Weekend. You see it, you don't know. It's a 4-night show from the Friday. You understand? So look here now. You don't know David or the Friday, Alkaline the Saturday. I don't know the mark out the name them. I don't know who really still. And then you have Whiskey the Sunday. I think that person and Alka supposed to do the Saturday. But I don't know what. So Labor Day weekend. You understand? What them say Northwest Stadium. You see it? You know that go. Northwest Stadium that. You see it? So these are the thing, people. The man where them say fall off. Why? I don't know. This don't even look good, dog. I tell you. Rotted. Now I couldn't goal this. Now same artist so then say Massacre for be the opening act for. So how comes Alkaline a headline over this artist? How going? No man, something not right here. Something not right here, people. I tell her that this just not add up. You see me? It not add up, people. I saw Alka going. Man jump and dancehall going and Afrobeat, you know. Eh? And that them say? So Akunde goal Alamide. Sarkadi Bombard. Yo, Sarkadi. Big artist that, you know. Well, a tough artist. Listen to him, you see me? And Tiwa Savage. You see it Friday. Wait, I think Massacre do a collaboration with the artist in Friday. Dexter Dab Spice. Ruga. Vic Tony. Pomba. Gasbzy. Young John. Enough of them. Jada Key never got there. You don't know the DJ Ricky Platinum, DJ Tunes. Yo, it a go loud, people. Can't wait for see that show, yeah. I tell you. I can't wait for see that show, yeah, people. Is it? So, all people, the show, yeah, man, the show, yeah. The Northwest Stadium, you don't know that I in Maryland. You see me? Yeah, the MD. You see it, so. It a go loud, like, this is a great lineup. Great lineup, bro. I tell you, this, yeah, dancehall I represent. You don't know Alkaline. You don't know Dexter Dap Spice. Jada Kingdom. Yo, this is a good look. You see me? This is a good look. It's so surprised that the artist where I run the whole 6-year dancehall, him not depend on that one. Yeah. So I'm surprised him. Yeah, when him go Nigeria, so I think say, you know, I don't know what really I go on, but I saw it go still. You see me? Sometimes I have to just go on easy and, you know, because I tell them already, you know, brother. No matter what I say, you know, bro. You see it? Because when I go see an artist I do this and I do that, but we can't see the impact. It nah make no sense. If an artist wanna say I drop hit song for 6 years now, 6 years what a hit song, and we cannot see an impact, not even a tour, not even one 10 days, 10 date, or one 20 date tour. So you're telling me a man I drop so much hit song and him can't do a tour with them hit song there? Tell me, people, that make no sense? The man can't do a tour with them hit song there? Nah, man, do better than that, man. That nah make no sense. If you go drop so much hit song, when we are talking about hit song, we are talking about hit song. People, so the promoter them supposed to fight for book you. You're supposed to have shows on top of shows. You're supposed to headline shows like Shagri. You're supposed to headline heavy show where you do. You understand? If you are that man, every show you go on, you're supposed to headline it. Right now, Alkaline have him shows. And him a headline every show from the year start. Every show the youth are headline. All of the posters I show you a while ago, him a headline the whole of them. Even this, the Afrofest. See there? Him take over the Saturday night. Him a the headline for Saturday night. So when me hear no talk, a little baby crooks them. I tell you already, you know. Massacre a good artist, you know, but you know make things worse for him. You understand? Because every day you get up, yo, Alka fall off, this and that. But the same fall off artists I do way bigger things than one artist I do. You understand? For one artists I open up shows. You see it? Open up shows for bigger acts. For Burna Boy and them little thing there. You see me? And that for one artist I do, you know. You see it? Him all their headline show. Most of the time, him just be one of the act them. You see me? And we are talking about major shows. Major shows we are talking about. You see me? Some of them no one really attack like them they sang the brother. You know what happen? You see when Massacre do these shows that's forwarding up and him gonna sing some song. Since you don't say 6 years. You see when him ready and him gonna sing them song there. Me make sure I clip everything, you know. All I sang them when I say I hit, me go clip them and see how the people react to them. Cause we see that go on the Antigua, you know, and the only song where him really get the major reaction of a whites. I tell you now already. For the past 6 years, a white time biggest song. That song that me can say, yo, that one you connect, that one you hit. Anytime this drop, people move. Me I tell you now already, brother. Me see some song when I say hit and when him sing it is like, I say, bro, what is? But you not see certain things at that, you know. You not look on the media thing and them look at thing there and feel like say, yo, oh, this are going on the media, yo, people are react to this and I talk about this. But when him go out there in the world, you not see the reality. Them hardly have video of Massacre performing. Or that, you know, you have couple out there. But them not show that. Me I tell you, if I did Alkaline, do them a show you and I get them reaction by them show you. Enough of them media page I run with it. Me I tell you. You see it. But uno go see what go on. Remember me tell you that uno I go see what go on. You see it. But people, look at Alkaline now. Man we full of show, fully booked. The man a headline every show where him do. Every show. Big shows too. You see it. Big venue. So, uno can go on. You see it. But people, uno know what things set, you know. One media fax pan up here, man. Big up on yourself. Respect for the support. You see it. That is it.